Hi everyone, this is Sandy Create the Heart, and I am back with a card share. So this is not part of my stash to de-stash. This is just regular card making. So I decided to go ahead and do the Greedy Farms challenge of the month, and the challenge for May was mermaid. Was to make a mermaid card. I made two, and I used one of my favorite mermaid stamp sets, this big baby, which is called Mermaids Galore. And it's one of their really big stamp sets that they put out a couple times a year, and they're a really great value. So if you have a chance to pick them up, when they first come out, they're usually on sale, and they do show up in their farmers market. So usually you can pick them up for about $48, I think, which is a great value, because if you think about each one of these costing $8, it's a really, really great value. So, and I love them. They're super cute. And then I'm also using this Pink and Main Ocean Life paper pad, which I think is, they have a couple really good ones. This is one of those really good ones. And then this is the Sandy Shores stamp set from Tailored Expressions. And this is one of those background stamps. And it's a split stamp, which allows you to stamp the water in a different color from the sand, and you can find creative ways to use it also. Like you can make it be sky, for example, which I did in mine, which I'll show you. Okay, so here are my cards. Here's this first one. So all I did was I just used the reverse of this. I didn't want to waste the scrap, so I ended up reversing it and putting here at the bottom, and then it looks like there's a little fish at the bottom of her riding her turtle, and I just think she's really fun, cute. I really enjoyed coloring her too. So there she is. And then this one is the one that I basically, instead of the sand, I made it into a sky, and I just used a sky stencil. So I stamped the sand stencil, or the sand stamp part, in a pink, and then I did a darker pink. I think I used instruct oxide, and then I used a darker pink on top of that to make the clouds, and then you could use it for sky. So I love that. So those are the two cards I made. Thanks so much for watching. This is Sandy Creating with the Heart.